So about a month ago, I got an email that said somebody had tried to log into my personal Facebook account at about 11 p.m. It said that I could get my account back by changing my password, so that's exactly what I did. Then I got brought to a screen that said my account had been permanently disabled. Now this was a Facebook account with about 1,200 friends on it, an account that I've had for probably 15 years. So disabling it or starting a new account was not an option. I quickly found out that if you're a free Facebook user, there is no person to contact, there's nobody to talk to, there's no support system at Facebook or Meta. So after sifting through forums, going on Fiverr and getting quoted $500 to get my Facebook account back, I finally found an option for about $12.99 that gets your Facebook account undisabled and back in about 2 days. Okay, so you want to log into whatever Instagram account is associated with the banned Facebook account. Okay, so go to your profile at the bottom right. You click the three little lines at the top right. Okay, you're in the settings and activity. You just scroll down to where it says Meta Verified. You click Meta Verified. Okay, and as you can see right here, it says Enhanced Support at the bottom. Contact a help agent via email or chat. You click Unlock Benefits. Okay, so it's actually $14.99. But you get this enhanced support and you can actually reach out and get a live person. They were very helpful when I reached out to them, and my Facebook account got unbanned in like probably 2 hours after I reached out to them. So it does cost $14.99, but this is an easy way to get your Facebook account back. Because Instagram and Facebook are linked, you can actually get a support agent that can help you out with your Facebook account. It worked for me. It did cost $14.99, but I did get a cool little check mark next to my name for about a month. So I highly recommend this method. You do get an actual human support agent. It's worth the $14.99 in my opinion.